Hi there, my name is Stefan, and in this video we'll talk about the WordPress dashboard and its purpose. The WordPress dashboard stands as the nerve center of your website, offering a streamlined interface where you can manage, customize, and monitor your online presence with ease. Upon logging in, users are greeted with a comprehensive overview, a snapshot of site's activity, recent comments, and updates. From this central hub, content creation becomes intuitive. Whether drafting a new post, uploading media, or tweaking site settings, the dashboard's user-friendly design ensures a seamless experience. With its modular layout, users can customize the dashboard to prioritize tools and information relevant to their workflow, ensuring efficiency. Furthermore, the dashboard isn't just about content. It's a gateway to extending your site capabilities. Access to themes, plugins, and user management tools. It empowers users to tailor their website functionality and appearance to exact specifications. In essence, the WordPress dashboard isn't merely a tool, it's a dynamic workspace designed to empower users, ensuring that managing and growing an online presence remains as straightforward and enjoyable as possible. Now, what we need to do before choosing a theme and installing plugins is to clean up WordPress. WordPress by default creates pages and posts, so let's go ahead and delete the default pages created by WordPress. Click on the pages, select both of them, click on bulk action, and move to trash. That's the first option. Or by hover over the page, click trash, and this page will be moved to trash. In this case, let's click on the bulk action, click move to trash, and click apply. If you click on the trash, you will see both of your pages here. By clicking empty trash, all the pages that are in the trash will be deleted. Now, let's go ahead and delete the post. Again, this was created by WordPress when we install it. Click on trash, go to the trash, and empty trash. Awesome. Now, one of the important things is to set the correct permalink structure. Hover over settings, click permalinks. By default, chosen permalink structure is post name, and we should leave it as it is. The reason why we choose the post name permalink structure is because it's easy for both humans and search engines to understand and share. After choosing the permalink structure, click Save Changes. And now you're ready to start creating your website. In the next tutorial, we'll choose a theme for a site and install the needed plugins. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.